People who have asphalt shingle roofs often want to know how to tell when the roof needs to be replaced. Asphalt shingles are the most common type of roofing in the U.S. because they are effective and relatively inexpensive, but they do have a finite lifespan. When these shingles become brittle, the chances of the roof failing go way up. To test this, bend one of the tabs back with your hand. If it bends with a gentle curve, it still has some flexibility and probably lots of life left. If it creases or breaks, it's brittle and could easily snap off in a stiff wind. If the problem is confined to just a few shingles, you can replace them yourself without replacing the entire roof. Simply pry up the damaged shingle with a flat bar to remove the nails near each of the slots between tabs. You'll have to do the same with the row above it as well, since those nails go through both shingles. Replace the damaged shingle with a new one of similar color and style before you drive new nails in the same location. Finally, apply some roofing cement between the rows to hold the bottom of each tab in place.